SPARK TSL presents Hospital Bedside Units, previously known as Hospedia. This video will inform you of the different capabilities of the bedside units. There are 3 different technologies. First are the remote control T2 units.
Here are several screens showing entertainment options like movies and the radio. There is also the accounts page.
T2 features includes entertainment such as live TV, radio, movies, and sports. Our communication features include a telephone and text service. A patient safety video is available as well as surveys.
Next are the touch screen T3 units. Here are some of the T3 screens showing entertainment, hospital information, audio books, and radio.
They have the same features as the T2 as well as access to the internet, audiobooks, TV box sets and sports through both TNT and Sky. Additional resources include GP online services and the NHS Health Index.
Finally, there are the white label units. These look the same as the T3 but have a different interface. Extra features include games, notepad, and the ability to choose a language.
Additional features can be added on T3 and white label. These can include a dementia orientation screen, surveys, links to NHS websites, and videos.
Free services and paid features. Free features include TV in the morning, radio, outbound calls to certain numbers and all hospital information. Paid features include TV in the afternoon, movies, games, audiobooks, sports, box sets, inbound calls, and internet on white label. We have a dedicated support team to help you use the units or pay for an entertainment service. Our customer care team is here for you all year, no matter what time. Thank you for watching.